What? I don't know this part.
Lip sync, just try. It's not just recording it. It's still recording.
Should we do another one?
No, tell a story.
About what?
About...
Okay, there once upon a time was a little orphan
Named Kaylee.
named Kayla. Like Kaylee and Cinderella, you know? And Kayla had a cupcake.
And she blew up.
It gave her really bad
Diarrhea. No diarrhea.
and then which led to diarrhea. And here's Kayla
Who has gas and diarrhea.
I didn't even know what he said.
And the cupcake blew up in her stomach and she died, so bye.
So yeah, that's what happened.
Kaylee Show. Powerpuff theme song is what we came up.
I was like high when we did. Not really. I don't get high. Smoking.
only on Fridays. Oh my
No,
God,
I have
South
this-
Park.
I have this like special thing where like I can get high without getting high. I can just like.
I know, whenever I start laughing like hysterically and like people are like, are you on something? I'm just like, no.
Yeah, she's on a lot of things.
Drugs are never fun. Thought I'd say that.
You're such a dork doing that.
Drugs are never fun.
What's
Redo.
Say goodbye. He's trying to make out with a camera.
That was rewinding.
Say goodbye.
Pause, drop. Pause again. Are never fun. Huh?
I was.
Not.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Say goodbye, my fellow retards that are watching this because
Goodbye,
I'm a
my fellow
retard.
retards that are watching this because I sang that one song and said the drugs are not fun, even though they're really not fun to never do drugs ever.